Good afternoon from Trott HQ. We've got another minger of the month, Indian Scout. This is a gentleman's daily commuter, so I don't think it gets much love. Just had a service or some work done around back, so the gentleman wants it cleaned as well. We're going to do one of our legendary full Monty valets. Got lots of burnt on tar to get off of there. Give it a damn good Trott makeover. She is hanging. I will do some machine polishing on this black, all scratched up. See if we can get a bit of depth, gloss back to it, get some corrosion protection on those wheels, get it looking like it should. Got some corrosion on these forks. So let's get it washed and we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some detailing. We do a bit of a discount for anybody that has a service done around the back at RNC. So this is one of those. So let's get it washed and then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some serious detailing. Wish me luck on this one. Okay, Indian Scout is now fully washed, degreased, and well, trying to improve the old girl a bit. Just doing a little paint correcting. This paintwork's in quite a state. Typical black, shows every single mark. Just done a couple of runs on that. This isn't in for any paint corrector. I think the gentleman just wanted it washed, but I can't let it go through here without doing a bit of, see if I can get a bit of depth back into that paint. So we'll finish that paint work. I'm going to spray some XCP on it, polish up all the chrome, all the mirrors and everything, and this is done. There you go, 2.5 hours on this Indian Scout. It's not perfect by any means, but a hell of a lot better than it was. Did some machine polishing on that bodywork, managed to get a lot of that burnt on tar off of that exhaust. It was absolutely caked in it. Tank has come up nice, got a bit of depth back to it, got a nice coating of XCP clear coat all over the motor, the suspension, etc. All the windscreen, all your bits of chrome have been meticulously polished. Yes, much better. This is one of our full Monty valets. Like I said, we do a bit of a discount. Anybody that's getting a service done around the back, get yours booked in now. Give us a call, 07966 249 963.